Do you feel like your body language does not reflect who you truly are? Like you're slouching, you're closing instead of opening and expressing. This yoga class is for you. Yoga has transformed my life in so many beautiful ways. It is a blessing for me to share this soul transforming practice to uplift you, to inspire you, to break ground and help you feel free. Let's get flowing. Let's begin right at the front of our yoga mats. Today's class is all about our body language. We stand tall, toes touching, heels slightly apart. Draw the belly inwards, draw the back of the neck up high, palms face the front, standing tall. Inhale the hands up to the sky, look up towards the thumbs, and exhale, fold forward. Hands walk up on the knees. Inhale, lengthen the spine forward. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands, bend the knees, and step it back into a plank position, one step at a time. Drop the knees down, drop the chest down. Connect the heels, energize your glutes. Press firmly onto the hands and rise in a cobra position. The chest is forward and up. Remember to keep the glutes active. This helps to protect your low back. Hook the toes under, push onto the hands, climb on the knees, and lift it up into a downward facing dog. The thumbs are strong, the index fingers are strong. Keep the breath deep and drop the knees down to the ground. In tabletop, you bring the hands exactly underneath the shoulders, the knees hip distance apart, exactly underneath the hips. Cat cow, let's awaken the spinal column. Drop the belly, the head is up high. Inhale the head up to the sky. On the exhale, you bring the chin inwards and you round the heart and shoulder blades up to the sky. Inhale, drop the belly, head is high. Cow pose. Exhale into cat. Close the eyes. Inhale, drop it again into cow pose. Moving with your own breath, with your own speed, feeling the sensations and how this translates in your own body. Keep moving with each breath through cat, through cow. And blink the eyes open. Tuck the toes under behind you. And let's come back and sit onto our heels. Energize the hands forward with an inhale. Open them up to the sky behind you. Exhale, give yourselves a hug. Bend the elbows. Inhale, open it up. Chest opens. Exhale, give yourselves a hug. Round in the shoulders. One more. Inhale, invite openness or invite space. Exhale, nurture, hug it in. Open it once again. Inhale, this time rest the hands onto the side of the body. We're going to open up the palms up to the sky, and as we do, the chest floats up as if the hands are our guide here. Exhale, release the palms down and round the heart downwards. I'll show you this from forward. Inhale, the chest opens up, the hands guide it up. Exhale, round it in. Inhale, open. Bright smile in your face, in your heart. Exhale, round it in. Perfect. Release the hands down to the thighs. We're going to bring ourselves to a seated position. To do so, bring first the hands forward. Climb onto the knees. Bring the feet to the side. Sit it down, nice and gently. And sit forward so you can have enough space behind you to lay down on the yoga mat. Feet in front of you, knees bent. Grab hold of the knees one by one. And then you begin to open up the chest forward. Inhale, lengthen it like we did earlier in cow pose. On the exhale, you round the heart backwards. Hold the knees and round it back. Bring it up high once again. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, round it. It's all about our body language. Inhale, open it up. Exhale, round it in. This time we're going to release ourselves back onto the yoga mat. We're going to slowly lay down with the head, with the feet, heels approximately underneath your knees, feet hip distance apart. Lay flat and comfortable with the back of the head, with the shoulders. Draw the arms away from the ears. And from here, we're going to energize the glutes up towards the sky in bridge pose. Exhale, lower it back down. Few more movements. Inhale, slow, lifting the hips, energize the glutes here. And exhale it back down. One more round, press down on the heels. Inhalation. Exhalation, lower the hips down. Inhale, lift. This time we're going to stay here. Climb as high as you can go with the buttocks. The chest opens upwards. Keep the neck long, the chin slightly away from the chest. And remain here in a nice, deep, slow breathing. If you feel like you want to take it a step further, you can roll on one side of the shoulders and tuck the arm in. Roll onto the other side and tuck the other. Shoulder blades kiss. Elbows strong on the ground. And breathe. And then we release the buttocks back down to the ground. You open up the feet wide for Shavasana to close off our 10-minute yoga practice. The palms to the side of the body. The head lowers. And allow yourselves here moments of inner peace. Reflecting on your own body language. What we learn here on the yoga mat, we take away with us in our daily lives. So next time you are slouching in front of a computer, bring yourselves to mindfulness, to an awareness, to open and invite the chest forward, to sit up tall, to support our bodies. Release here in deep relaxation, breath by breath, letting go. Returning slowly to the sound of your breath. Deeper inhalations, releasing exhalations. Waking up the body with movements on our hands and fingers, toes and feet. Bringing the body back to life. Open up the hands above the head, lengthen, stretch the body open. And then we release by bending the knees and opening out to the side of the body in embryo pose. Rest the head onto the hand. Blink your eyes open. Energize with the hands down to earth to lift you to rise you up to a seated position. Cross-legged, sitting up tall, roll the shoulders up, roll them down behind you, chest and heart are lifted. Bright smile in your face. This is day 6, body language. We walk nice and open, the head above the shoulders. Amy Cuddy said, your body language shapes who you are. So the qualities we reflect physically in the body reflect out into our day, brings us a feedback. What we give, so we take. Don't forget to subscribe to receive updates on the next videos, on the next series. With much love from my heart to yours, Namaste.